Hello everyone, I am back with a Power BI project. This dashboard provides a comprehensive analysis of IPL data from the year 2008 to 2020. In order to organize the dashboard, I divided into the four sections. The sections are divided into the following categories: home, batsman stats, bowler stats, team stats. I have provided a summary of overall data for the season as well as the details of final match for the season in the home section. Here is the drop down with the radio buttons for the year 2008 to 2020. You can select the radio button of the year, and the data will be changed according to that year. The final match was between MI and CSK, and MI won by 1 run, with JJ Bumrah being named as man of the match. The following are the details of top 5 well performed batters and bowlers, along with the orange cap and purple cap holders. In this card, we see the number of matches that have been played in that tournament, as well as the number of sixes and fours. This donut chart that shows the percentage of toss winners, toss decision for the entire season. Also added a map showing the count of venues by cities. That is, the larger the circle, the more matches are played at that venue. This clustered column chart of team shows the team runs by innings is shown below. Uh, Next, in the batsman stats, uh, in the batsman stats section, you can analyze the data of the particular batsman by searching the drop down uh, radio buttons. These cards represents the summary of the total innings, runs, strike rate, average, fours and sixes based on the data from 2008 to 2020. A packed bubble chart shows the most dismissal the batsman had by the bowlers. A donut chart shows the percentage of the batsman dismissal kind. The stacked bar chart shows the total runs scored against teams by Virat Kohli. The tree clustered column chart shows the runs and strike rate by year, fours and sixes by year, and average and innings by year. We will go on the bowler stats. The start section enables you to study the bowler's details by utilizing the drop search feature. Let's search about Malinga. Oh, let's see Malinga. These are present a summary of key metrics such as uh, total innings, wickets, economy rate, overs, strike rate, average. The packed bubble chart displays the top dismissals of the batsman made by the bowler. The donut chart shows the dismissal kind. The stacked chart shows the total wickets taken against the team. The three cluster columns chart shows the average by years, the economy rate by years, and wickets by years. Moving forward, we came to the team stats section. In this section, you can select the team by drop down. Let's select CSK. These cards are for total wins, total innings, and wins played by the CSK from 2008 to 2020. The Gangu chart is the winning percentage of the team. A map chart shows the team scores by venues. These are like banners of the top three players from the team with the most sixes, most fours, and wicket masters. The two donut charts displays the toss decision by toss winning and win type. These two tables shows the batsmen's and bowlers details. You can scroll them and see the other details of the batsmen and bowlers. The stack bar chart shows the win by toss decisions. According to the donut chart, the CSK mostly chooses a bat after the winning toss, and seeing to the stack bar chart, choosing the bat at the toss gives more help to win the match. As you can see from 2008 to 2015, the number of wins is more when the CSK choose to bat first. and let me know what you think of my IPL dataset project. If you have any questions or suggestions, the comment section is open for you. Thanks for watching.